Students, you have learned about the characteristics of Indian agriculture in your past class or previous classes. The Indian agriculture is full of characteristics and have seen many ups and downs in the long run after post-independence period. But it has seen different revolutions during this period. Hello friends, myself is Professor Sanjay Kumar, your well-known teacher, and today we will learn about major agricultural revolutions in India. For this, you have to see the full video. Now, in this video of Creative U Geography, we are going to learn something different about major agricultural revolutions in India through a chart. As I have stated above, Indian agriculture has seen different ups and downs, but is full of different characteristics. The first major agricultural revolutions came in India during 1966-67, which has affected the food grain sector, especially in wheat, known as Green Revolution. The father of revolution was M.S. Swaminathan. The second revolution, which is known as Grey Revolution, has affected the fertilizers production during 1960s-70s. The next revolution came in 1965 to 2005 in the field of potato production, known as Round Revolution in India. The major agricultural revolution came in India, which had drastically changed the scene of production of dairy, milk, or dairy production. Started or father of this revolution was Varghese Kurian, and it has affected the sector which is known as milk and milk production, and the name of revolution was known as Operation Flood or White Revolution in India. The Blue Revolution has greatly affected the fish and aqua product sector during 1973-2002, started by Dr. Arun Krishnan. During 1986-1990, government has started new revolution in the field of oilseed production, which is known as Yellow Revolution in India. It was the result of Sam Pitroda's vision. During 1970s, government has again started the production or drastic change production in prawns, onion and pharmaceutical fields, started by Dr. Durgesh Patel, and the revolution named as Pink Revolution in India. The next major revolution change in meat and tomato production. During 1980s, It was the vision of Vishal Tiwari, which is known as Great Revolution in India. To increase the production in jute and jute sector during 1990s, Golden Fiber Revolution was started. Again, to increase the production of fruits, honeys and horticulture, Golden Revolution started during 1991 to 2003. The father of this revolution was Nirpekh to Tej. During 2000, the egg production needs to be increased, and the said revolution is known as Silver Revolution in India, which is the brain of Indira Gandhi. Again in 2000, the cotton production needs to be increased, and the revolution came in this field is known as Silver Fiber Revolution. During 2014 to 2020, protein revolution has been started by Narendra Modi ji, which has affected the agricultural sector. It is also known as Second Green Revolution. During 2014 to 2022, Evergreen Revolution has been started after the brain of M.S. Swaminathan to, for the integration of ecological principles in technology development. And the last one is, friends, last one revolution is known as White Ball Revolution, which affected the production of makhana, or known as white ball. You all have heard about it. With this chart, you have aware about, now you are aware about some major agricultural revolutions came in India. Thank you.